This video shows how to make changes to a reservation's booking details. In this video, you will learn how to add booking details to an original reservation, then add additional resources to a technology reservation's booking details. Select a reservation in the left side. In the right side, select Tools, then Wizards. Select Add Booking Details, then Next. Select the type of technology requested. For this example, select Built-in Equipment, then Next. Double-click on the resources requested to add them to the reservation. Click on Next. Click on Select All, then Finish. This is where you can add additional resources to the booking details. For Do you wish to add any more booking details? Click on Yes. Select the resource required. For this example, you will assign Portable Equipment. Click on Next. Select the resources required. Click on Next. Click on Select All, then Finish. If any more resources are needed, add them now by clicking on Yes. If not, click on No. Click on OK. The additional resources to the booking details can be seen in the left side. From here, you can click on Close to end the reservation, change the status, or send a confirmation email.